Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy DC The Truth. As you guys can see from the title, I have some concerns about this thing. Now, I saw this on TV, the news. I think it was CNBC. I can probably put a link to it in the description. So after I seen this, of course, I seen a couple articles I was reading up on there, and in the comments, people have some legitimate concerns, like a home security drone. Like, what is it gonna do? Fly around, scare burglars away? Can the police control it? What's that? Somebody else said. Is anybody gonna be able to hack it? All kind of shit. I know it's just a drone. I mean, like, what all can it do? It's not like it's gonna be able to stop a burglar that come in, but I guess for people that's concerned about privacy, I guess it would be a deal, a big idea of somebody hacking and be able to see your footage, because it's all kind of articles and things about people hacking Amazon. What's that, Echo? Being able to get control of it. So what's not to say, somebody be able to do the same thing with this drone? I guess it just all comes down to privacy. People can say they can probably do the same thing with a Ring doorbell. I don't know. I guess it's one of those things where is you being paranoid or just overprotective. It just, I'm not really concerned about it because I'm not gonna buy no shit like that. And not only this, Amazon was unveiling some new products as well. I think it's like a home Nest router and something else. So but the that home security drone, it really caught my attention. I was just thinking, like, dang, you got a drone flying around in your house, and it's like supposed to be a home security, camera. Them thing, you in the shower, the motherfucker probably looking at you and all kind of shit. This shit's kind of weird, You're like, we turning some iRobot type shit now, This shit is weird, man. We already dealing with bots. People using bots to scout products, now we dealing with, I don't know, man. 2020, it's something. Technology, technology is a wonderful thing, but at the same time, sometimes you like, hey, it's a risk to all this. But then again, that's just if you on the we have a paranoid sector of people in the world. I call them, all these woke people that's out here, and then we have the people just take it for what it is. Hell, if it get hacked, it get hacked. Hell, I mean, what you gonna do? See my Sloan naked? I don't give a fuck. You have people, a little more lighthearted about it, like me. But I guess in the end, to be in all seriousness though, I guess it would raise a privacy concern of someone hacking it, because I don't know. Because we do have a lot of smart lowlifes out there that just don't have nothing better else to do. Sit behind a keyboard, run scripts and all kind of shit. I don't. Like I said, I was in school once. I tried to take a coding class and all that, so I can kind of get introduction to like white hat hacking. If you guys don't know, that's like the good type of hacking. This shit was just too much for my brain, and I'm like, I don't have the time or energy for that. Hacking is not something that you see in the sci-fi movies, and that is that easy. This shit here is, you got to be on the next level nerd type shit to be on, and you got people out there like that. Usually some people from other countries that can master that. Hell, we got some people here. But yeah, I ain't mean to get all off topic. I just want to kind of bring this to you guys' attention. If y'all didn't already know, it's just something that caught my eye. This this is your boy DC the Truth, and we gonna sign this out, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate your support. Yeah, for real.